How to find a specific person on Plenty of Fish. Hey everybody, welcome back to Login Joints. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do so. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Plenty of Fish application from your device. Here, make sure that you are logged into your Plenty of Fish account. Once you do so, you will see Checkout Search. Just tap onto it. Then go ahead and access the username search feature on your Plenty of Fish. Click onto the search button and just type in the person's email address as the username in the search field. And if there is any valid account under that name, you will be able to see them. But keep in mind that you have to have a Plenty of Fish account in order to search for any person's name in that app. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button. We will catch you up soon.